Hi, my name is Tyler, and welcome to Corona, a superior point of sale solution for retail businesses of all sizes. Corona has a unique architecture. The back office portion, which you can see here, is cloud-based and can be accessed through your web browser from any device in any location for all of your stores. Imagine being on vacation and checking on your daily sales on your smartphone. The point of sale portion is a software that is installed on the point of sale terminal, allowing the point of sale to work fully offline if needed and control peripherals without requiring additional software. Now let's take a closer look at the back office. What you see here is your personal dashboard. You can customize the dashboard to your needs, providing a quick overview of the information you always need to see right away. The back office is also where you manage your inventory and all point of sale related settings. This allows you to manage most aspects of your business even if you are not in any of your stores. Let's have a look at the product list. You can access your products under the Inventory tab, where you can find all inventory related data, including products. This is your full product database. Taking a closer look at a product, you can find a variety of settings. On the left, you can find the most important settings such as product number and name. In addition, there are 3 categories. The commodity group, which is a combination of department, item category, and subcategory. Commodity groups can also be nested without any restriction on the number of sublevels. The assortment is a unique but truly powerful way to categorize items. It allows you to categorize items based on how you order the item. Good examples for assortments are seasonal item categories, such as spring or fall assortments. Another example is a slow seller assortment, containing items that you would like to discontinue. Corona can even do the work for you and move items into new assortments based on rules that you define. The last categorization is the sector. This is a financial item category defining how the item should be taxed. You are able to create more sectors and assign all tax rates that apply. This can also be done based on location, allowing you to sell the same item in different counties, states, or even countries, and always collect the appropriate taxes. In addition, you can create your very own categorization system without any limitations by tagging items. Tags are also very useful for promotions such as mix and match. The next important section here is the price section. In Corona, all price changes are scheduled. This means that you can schedule a new price in advance. You also have the option to add multiple price groups, which allows you to maintain several price levels. You can assign price groups to stores to manage different prices at different locations, or also customer groups allowing you to set custom prices for your membership program or wholesale customers. The lower section here is where you can manage your ordering settings such as suppliers, size options, and your cost. Corona is unique as it allows you to have multiple order options for each item. Corona also enables you to quickly do your purchase orders. You can create orders based off of an order template, reorder levels, or sales history. Once you've completed your order, you can email your stock order directly to your supplier with your customer number, delivery address, and other key information automatically populated. Now, let's move from the back office to the front end and check out a customer. This is the Corona point of sale screen. Corona's point of sale interface is optimized for touchscreen terminals, but can also be operated via mouse and keyboard. The first step is the cashier login. A cashier can log in by entering their personal login code. If you are just getting started, the default code is 1. You can also use login keycards or cashier locks instead of login codes. After logging in, the cashier automatically gets into the checkout screen without any delays. Now the cashier can either scan in products using a barcode scanner or use buttons to add items to the transaction. The point of sale buttons are fully customizable. You can freely create new buttons and groups in your Corona back office. There are no limitations. You can customize Corona Point of Sale to your business workflows and not the other way around. On the right side of your screen, you can typically find Point of Sale function buttons. Corona will provide 3 function tabs. You can customize all buttons for each tab. Corona is optimized for checkout speed. Therefore, most functions requiring an input will allow the cashier to set the value prior to pressing the function button. For example, for quantity changes, select the item on the receipt, enter the desired item quantity, and press Change Quantity. The price change function works exactly the same way. Enter the new price and select Change Price. This eliminates the need of confirming the input by pressing Enter or Apply, and potentially eliminates thousands of keystrokes during a cashier's workday. Once all items have been added to the receipt, the cashier can move on to taking payment using the Total button. Here, the cashier can quickly enter the customer payment by selecting the bills or entering in the given cash amount. If the customer wishes to pay via credit or debit card, you can select the appropriate payment option. Of course, you can always take partial payments, allowing customers to pay with multiple payment options. Once the received payment covers the receipt total, the point of sale will automatically close the transaction and print the receipt. Again, Corona eliminates any unnecessary keystrokes and goes straight to the next transaction. The change from the previous transaction is displayed down here until the cashier starts ringing up items for the next transaction. A common feedback from Corona users is that Corona is the fastest retail point of sale that they have ever worked with. Some customers have reported that they were able to run close to 3,000 transactions on a single point of sale in one day. As mentioned before, the point of sale application is able to run offline without any delays or restrictions. However, if the point of sale does have an internet connection available, it will upload any sales data immediately. In the back office, you can find transactions under Sales Receipts coming in instantly. A sophisticated set of filter options will provide you with the necessary tools to drill down and find individual transactions. Under the Evaluation section, you can find reports and statistics. The Organization Report will provide you with all the important numbers for your business. Customers per hour will provide some insight on peak hours. Under Edit Menu Entries, you can select reports available from Corona's extensive report selection, providing you all the sales analytics to better understand the details of your business. Many business owners and managers have reported that Corona allowed them to increase their revenue and profit significantly by utilizing Corona's powerful sales analytics. Under Settings, Data Exchange, you can find import and export options and even set up data connections to many third-party applications such as QuickBooks or BeLoyal. If you would like to find out more about Corona's advanced features and how your business can benefit from Corona Point of Sale, please don't hesitate contacting our team of experts. We're looking forward to working with you.